like if we look at the bond yields in the US, which is really key to all of this, between April and August, they were really repressed down at unsustainable levels. So we're not surprised to see the retracement back to 1.5% that we've seen in September. But with that, obviously, comes a rotation within the equity market. When we think about how we position ourselves within the equity market, we're obviously quite likely to see some damage done to tech names as those longer term bond yields retrace. So, there's a few ways we play this, but within our international equities portfolio, rather than getting rid of our strategic tech names, which we think will have a key role to play long term, particularly if inflation remains high. They are, after all, for businesses, quite deflationary potentially, or a way of managing costs. For the short term, in our portfolios, we're using a value ETF essentially to manage that rotation. So we'll keep that on until bond yields reach something like 2%. Which we think is around fair value for longer term bond yields. So we can see 2% being hit by year end. So yeah, it'll be, this year we've been surprised by the violence of some of these movements in bond yields, certainly.